Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks for beginners. See, we have three views, three side views. Now, if you see clearly, this is the, let's say, top view, side view, and here also right hand side view and left hand side view. One side is shell feature. If you see, let's check dimensions in millimeter, exercise 264. Okay, if you see from one side, this is the structure. If you see from top side, there is some section view. If you clearly zoom, you will see this shape shows this is hollow, or we applied shell feature here. See, depth 6 millimeter, thickness 1 millimeter, and here thickness 3 millimeter, then here thickness 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter. Let's see how we can achieve this model. Let's start with this. We will extrude this one, then we will cut this shape. 36, 25, 25, 12 radius outer one, and the whole diameter 12 millimeter. Center to center distance 100 millimeter. And how long we need to extrude? See here, 60 millimeter. Okay, and we will create this hole also. This hole depth how much? 8. Center distance, oh sorry, wall thickness 8 millimeter from here. Corner radius R5, and see distance from here to this circle 8. Let's see. Let's say right plane sketch. Let me activate here circle, and let's draw two circle at center. Now let's zoom, make it two more circle here. Right click, exit. First connect this line with center line. Escape, make it construction. Again choose line. Now connect from here to here. If we saw any tangent symbol place, right click, OK. Now select these two line, directly apply mirror entity. Fine. Okay, let's define this dimension 100. Now center diameter 36, outer radius given 25 into 250. Similarly, this side 12 inside hole, and 12 multiplied to 24 is radius. Now see, okay, let me activate trim entity, power trim, and delete this. Okay, now let me apply here 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter uncheck chain. Okay, again offset entity 8 millimeter, reverse. Okay, one more 8 millimeter, see outer diameter. Now let me try here one circle. Okay, now select the circle and this line tangent relation. Okay, let's delete all unnecessary line. Trim entity, activate power trim, select this outer, press and hold the left mouse and drag. See, okay, this side be done. Let's come here and select inside one also. Okay, we have one clear image, smart dimension. Now press and hold shift key, select these two circle. Center distance 8 millimeter. Look, it seems fully defined. Fillet is corner fillet. Let's make 5 millimeter these two corner. Okay. Okay, for time being this is enough. Now let me extrude this model. I want to add material. Let's either we can add one direction, but better to keep mid plane so that material flow both side equally. 60 millimeter apply. I'm going to say some color to this. Okay. Now it's time to extrude this shape. Now see 14 this depth. From hole center to here 35, 75 from this corner to here. Inside radius R7, oh, sorry 10, 8 millimeter thickness, and this thickness how much? 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Then corner radius you will see R8, and here also let's say 10, 20. This corner also 20. Select top plane, sketch center line. Let me connect one center line. Let me select here line. Now start from here. Connect. Now select all geometry, mirror entity. See, it's mirror. Okay. Now distance. This distance from here to here 35. Similarly from here to this point 75. 14. Okay, this is fully defined sketch. Let me activate line and make it something like this. And select this all three line, mirror entity. Activate line again and close. Let's select these two lines, parallel relation, smart dimension, 8 millimeter. Okay. And this distance from outer edge calculated 7 millimeter. Okay. Done. Let's apply possible sketch fillets. 20 and select these two corner. Okay. And this corner and let's make 10 millimeter and let me choose these two inside. Okay. And this center one, select these two, 10. Okay. Cancel. Now let's apply extrude cut. I want to remove material, apply extruded cut feature. Now see, by default uh, already selected profile. Here go comes, okay, directly choose through all both. You will see the preview. Material going to flow both side equally. See direction 1, direction 2, and see here what our result. Fillet 20. And let's select these two edges. Similarly, other side. Okay. See. Now it's time to make it. Now, if you see depth of this shell feature 6 millimeter, wall thickness 1. Similar here also depth 6 wall, but if you see here wall thickness 3 millimeter. If you see from this view, these wall thickness 3 millimeter, other all wall thickness 1 millimeter. So how we will achieve this one? Let's divide this body. Okay, let me choose right plane, insert feature, split, cut body. Now here we have two body, but keep both body. Uncheck consume cut bodies. Okay. Let me select. Okay. Now see here we have two bodies. So that shell feature we will apply only one body. Now let's apply shell thickness we will keep 1 mm. Select these all faces. Okay. Show preview. See here, we have to make it how much? Depth 3 mm. Select this wall. See this wall thickness going big 3 mm. Apply. Look, this wall 1 mm and this is going to be 3 mm. See, now it's time to combine both the parts. So simply I'll go to direct editing, combine, and select both the part, add. Okay, and see the one side is solid, one side is hollow. So this is how we achieve this simple model. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.